Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today we have an unbagging, and this came from Crystal Arts. This is a stitch unbagging. The other thing that I did order, I looked this up, I might have ordered something beyond that, but that I've ordered from Crystal Arts at Amazon was the Four Seasons, not the women, but the Four Seasons by Joy Sunday that I received, that I was showing you. Oh, back a little bit. Comes in a nice bubble wrap. And I ordered this on the 23rd, and I received it, we'll call it today because I went to the post office today. And it's a Joy Sunday. Let me see if I can bring you down a little bit. And move this up a little bit. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I just love those flowers. I just thought they were gorgeous. It's an 11 count. It's 25 by 60 centimeters. And it's called Abstract Flowers. Let me bring you... Whoops. Dagnabbit. There's a fly in here and he's driving me nuts. I paid $21.99 for this. And let's see here. Comes with the instructions, like all the Joy Sundays have, which is nice, on how to stitch and what to do with it afterwards and how to care for it. Ooh, pretty, pretty colors. Comes with all your colors. Comes with 2 needles here. Aren't those beautiful colors? Nice, like antique-y looking flower, or yeah, flower colors. There you go. But I just thought it was beautiful. Okay, and it comes with, and this is the picture. Let's see if we can bring you down a little bit. Now that it's out of the plastic, it has cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, and instructions. Comes with an instruction book. This is the key, and it shows the picture here. And then it has the grid and the pattern. So that's kind of nice. And this is a nice skinny one. And it's not too terribly long. It's 61 centimeters, but the pattern, hang on, itself, from the edge of the pattern to the edge, like from here, crap, if I can get it to move, this end, and all the way down, whoops, got to get it undone first, or it won't move. Is 48 and about 3/4 long, and this is 19 across. Then that's just going from the dark line. So yeah, I thought that was quite pretty. But now I might have to start on it. Yeah, you know how that goes. Gotta start everything. Oh my lord. Gotta quit doing that. And I'm trying to bend it down so you could at least see it. The key runs along here. And then it runs all along the length. It says it's 81 wide and 216 high. So it's not too terribly big. And it might, I don't know, hang on. I was looking to see if it would fit on my my scroll thing, and it will. I mean, if you wanted it to, but since this is so small, it'd be real easy to work with. But yeah, and it's real nice and clear. Let me bring you down. You can see the pattern really well. And there's all the back stitching stuff in that. There's a lot of back stitching in that, but that's okay. And it does show. It doesn't list anything as a back stitch. Maybe that's just the color. But you would think it might have, but it doesn't have to. It just says full stitch. It has 25 colors. And I'm just going to flip it over so I can lay the colors out again so you can see them. And, of course, the thread is nice and soft, and it's always good and strong. Whoops, sorry. Let me bring you out. Ah, I can always go the wrong direction, can I not? I love those mauves and pinks, and then the greens, and then the 3 shades of blue. I don't... Let's see. It's got grapes in it, and some... I want to say coxcombs, but I'm not sure that they are coxcombs. But they had some nice pretty colors in it, so I just liked the way it looked. But that's all we got for today. And this is the one that they said went to Utah. I emailed them, and I haven't had a problem, you know, with any stitch things going anyplace else. But I emailed them, and, well, first I went to the post office. Let's start back. I went to the post office, and they said that the package had gone to Utah. So I contacted them, and they said that they had given me the wrong, you know, confirmation number. And it came from, I believe it came from China. Let me look. Yep, it came from China, but they gave me the wrong confirmation, the tracking number. So they gave me the right one, told me that it was in Chicago, so it's here. I didn't look at the mail yesterday. It might have been there, but they had said it had cleared Chicago. So, I mean, I probably could have walked faster. But, yeah. So we got it, finally. So I will have to email them and say thank you, and that they actually gave, you know, got it to me, and everything was just fine. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. And if you like this video, I know it's kind of short and sweet. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Goodbye. God bless.